If your Chevrolet Tahoe displays the service steering column lock warning, it means the vehicle has detected a problem with the electronic steering column lock system. This system prevents the steering wheel from moving when the vehicle is turned off as a security feature. When the system fails to lock or unlock properly, the dashboard warning appears, and in some cases, the vehicle may have trouble starting. The issue is often caused by a low battery, faulty steering lock actuator, or a temporary electronic glitch. Try these. 1. Check the vehicle battery. Make sure the battery is fully charged and the terminals are clean and tight, as low voltage can trigger this warning. 2. Restart the vehicle electronics. Turn the ignition off, remove the key or key fob, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then start the vehicle again. 3. Turn the steering wheel slightly while starting. Gently move the steering wheel left and right while pressing the start button to help the lock mechanism release. 4. Perform a battery reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it to reset the steering column control module. 5. Scan the vehicle for error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for steering column lock or body control module codes.